Welcome to Xrero CRM. Let's dive in. Xrero CRM helps your sales team turn interest into revenue. Every potential deal is an opportunity that moves along a pipeline of stages, from first contact to a one sale. Open CRM from the Apps menu. The top menu organizes everything. The pipeline is the heart of CRM, a Kanban board with one column per stage. Each card is an opportunity showing the customer the expected revenue and the next activity. Stages are the columns of your pipeline, the steps a deal passes through. The defaults suit most businesses, and you can rename or add your own in configuration. Click New on the pipeline. Give it a short title, the customer, the expected revenue, and your email/phone contact. It appears as a card in the first stage, ready to work. Open a card to see the full opportunity. The top shows the stage bar. Click to move stage and the won/lost buttons. If your business gets many raw inquiries, turn on leads. A lead is an unqualified contact you haven't yet decided to pursue. Activities keep deals moving. Schedule a call, meeting, email, or to-do with a due date, and CRM reminds you. The pipeline card shows a colored clock, green, planned, amber, today, red, overdue, so nothing slips. Every opportunity has a chatter at the bottom, a running history. Log a note to record what happened on a call. Send a message to email the customer directly from the deal. Each opportunity carries an expected revenue, the deal's value, and a probability, your confidence, 0 to 100%. Together they drive the forecast. A 50%, likely 40,000 deal contributes 20,000 to your weighted pipeline. When the customer agrees, open the opportunity and click one. The deal jumps to the one stage. Its probability becomes 100%, and it counts in your one revenue. If a deal falls through, click Lost and pick a lost reason. Too expensive, chose competitor, no budget. The opportunity is archived out of the active pipeline, but kept for analysis, so you learn why deals are lost and improve. From any opportunity, click New Quotation. CRM opens a draft sales quotation pre-filled with the customer, ready for you to add products and prices. Each opportunity is tied to a customer record, a company or individual with addresses, contacts, email, and phone. Opening a customer shows all their opportunities, quotations, and history, giving you full context before any call. Tags are colored labels you attach to opportunities like hot, hotel, repeat customer, or product line. Filter and group the pipeline by tag to focus, for example, on all hotel deals at once. A sales team groups salespeople, e.g. direct sales, online. Each opportunity belongs to a team, so managers can see each team's pipeline and targets separately. The activities view lists everything you owe today and overdue across all your deals. Work top-down. Open each, do the task, call, email, then mark done and schedule the next step. CRM can create opportunities automatically. A team can have an alias email, e.g. sales@yourco.ie, so incoming mail becomes a lead, and your website contact form can drop straight into the pipeline. Besides Kanban, switch the view to suit the task. List for bulk edits and sorting by value. Calendar to see meetings by day, pivot and graph for analysis. Reporting turns your pipeline into insight. Pipeline analysis, where deals sit, win rates by team or salesperson, and forecast, expected revenue by month, weighted by probability. The CRM dashboard gives managers the headline numbers at a glance. New opportunities, expected revenue, won this month, and activities due, with the team's pipeline beneath. Admins tailor CRM here. Rename or add stages. Set up sales teams and members. Define tags and lost reasons, and enable optional features like leads and recurring revenue. The salespeople who close most consistently share a handful of habits. Here they are at a glance, then explained. The core flow in 5 words. A lead becomes an opportunity, which moves through stages in the pipeline until it's won. The questions new users ask most with a quick answer. That is Xrero CRM. Start your free trial today.